Hey friends, so there is a product called City Lips. It is amaze. I love it because it's supposed to be like a lip plumper, but it doesn't have any like tingling sensations or anything like that. I don't like it. My face doesn't like it. It does not work well on me. But what I do love about this, it's got collagen, it's got all the good yummy things. I'll post below, I'll post on YouTube and on Instagram and on my website, HeatherSpivey.com, and then under favorite things, I think that's holiday faves. It'll show you about it. But what I do love is it's super thick. I know for some people that is a downside to something, but it's not like it's yummy. It isn't super slidey. It's not gonna slide all over your face. You can use just a little bit and then put lip color on top of it, and it will actually help the appearance of yummy full lips, and your lines are softer. I've been really impressed with the way my lips have looked. I'm looking in the mirror too, with how my lips have looked when I use it regularly. They seem fuller, and all the little lines that kind of show age as we age, they're not nearly as strong as normal. So I really do love this stuff. I think I have several clients in mind that I'll be using this on a lot because I know how much they're gonna love it. Anyway, I just thought I would show you. I hope you're doing well. I am still on the trying to get better side of feeling kind of icky. So I'm trying my best to get my holiday faves out. Please be patient. Thank you for watching and for liking them and for commenting and all the things. So have an awesome day.